Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Bissell Spinwave powered hardwood floor cleaner, and let me tell you, it is excellent. Personally, I'm all about efficiency when cleaning, and this product delivers maximum results for minimal effort, and that's exactly how I like to get work done. It ships in a relatively nondescript box with a picture of a little dog on front, indicating clearly who this product is really meant for. So let's take a look inside. We've got the mop itself, mostly assembled, 2 trial bottles of floor cleaning concentrate, and 2 sets of pads, one made of terry cloth only and the other made of terry cloth with soft nylon bristles embedded. Hanging off to the side where you can't really see it is the handle that we'll install right now. And that's it for assembly. Super easy, and we're now ready to get down to business. In order to fill the solution tank, we first need to remove it from the appliance. This is done by simply pulling straight up, or to the side depending on what orientation we're working with. The bottle has 2 sets of markers, one for a small area and one for a large. They're pretty self-explanatory, but basically you fill the water to the lower line and then top off with solution until you hit the top one. Since I'm doing a larger room, I thought I'd just start off big. That said, even when using the top set of fill lines, you'll still only use about half of 1 trial bottle. In other words, the 2 trials included should get you 4 complete bottles worth of diluted cleaner. It also means the 80-ounce bottle of concentrate I purchased with this unit will likely last a very long time. After this, we'll just drop it into place until we hear the click. And now we're good to go. Operation is super simple. We've got 2 buttons up top, a black power button that starts the spinning action, and a white spray button that releases the soap. Pressing it while the unit is on will eject cleaning solution out the front. Before we get going, I do highly recommend giving your floor a very thorough vacuuming, especially if things like small gravel or sand might have gotten tracked in. Why? Well, because this unit uses 2 oscillating spinning cleaning pads. If something abrasive were to get stuck under here while in use, this product would quickly change from a power cleaner into a power sander, and that would ruin just about anyone's day. When starting off, I do like to lift this product up, turn it on, spray a bit, and then drop it down. I do this because the solution will not dispense unless the unit is powered, and I don't want the pads spinning on the floor dry. In practice, I found the Bissell Spinwave to be a pleasure to use. As you can hear, it is very quiet, and once the floor has some cleaning solution on it, the product takes virtually no effort to move around. I did, however, find one aspect of this product's use that some people may find off-putting, and that is the need to periodically rinse out the pads. Remember, they're basically just 2 spinning washcloths, and like anything, will get dirty. While doing my great room, I rinsed the pads twice, each time not necessarily getting them pristine, but just enough so that the water running out of them wasn't brown. Removing and reinstalling is very easy. They're held on by Velcro and just press into place. Here, you don't need to be super careful with alignment, but getting them relatively centered will make the machine operate smoothly. The last thing I wanted to show everyone on the operation front is this product's excellent articulation. With one hand, you can effortlessly move around corners and make your way about things like tables and couch legs. When we're done for the day, storage is super easy. This product will snap into an upright position, negating the need for any wall storage hooks. The pads themselves are machine washable. Here they are after that's been done. Although they don't come out looking brand new, they do come out looking good enough for me. Overall, I love this product. It does for mopping what my Dyson cordless did for vacuuming, make me more likely to actually perform the chore. Now, instead of waiting until my floor needs it, I just quickly break these 2 out and run maintenance on them without breaking a sweat. Finally, if you found this review useful, please consider supporting the channel by purchasing from the Amazon link below. It's an associate link for which I'll earn a small commission. Use is greatly appreciated. Okay, take care.